Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. Yes, y'all, a Dollar Tree haul. Can't y'all believe it? I'm bringing y'all another one. And I think this is what, three? Three. The Dollar Trees are starting to be on hot again, okay? Before they went on, I don't know what they was doing, what kind of items. I guess I didn't have the correct Dollar Tree I was going to. But today I found a Dollar Tree Plus store. I didn't think we had them, but this Dollar Tree was about, I think, 15 minutes away from me. So I was in the area because I had to do some things. So I said, let me go into this Dollar Tree, and y'all, I came across some Plus items. I was like, really? Which only got one Plus item that I had. So the rest of them are $1.25. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, y'all. The first thing when I walked through the door, I seen this. This is a sunflower solar light. Yes, from Dollar Tree. I was like, oh my goodness. It is a solar stake light. And I was like, this is so cute. So I got three of them, y'all, but I only put one up here because y'all know my table's little. So I didn't feel like putting the rest of them up here. I just got three of them, but they had a whole lot. So I only got three, and it was just in this color, the yellow. You know, sometimes they like to make the sunflowers different colors. But the store that I was in only had this yellow, and I was like, yes. I said I had to get those for my yard. The next thing I got was some good old faithful aluminum foil. I got me some, and it was a 40 square feet. I love this aluminum foil. I love it. The next thing I got was this Gordon flag, and in my previous haul, I had the little Gordon stake. I mean the flag stake for it. So I got this. It says Home Sweet Home, and I thought this was so cute because I love butterflies and flowers. So I thought this was so cute. I thought it was so cute, y'all. The next thing I got, this is another solar light. So if anyone is really liking this, I just got two of these solar stake lights. I just got two of them. It's okay, but you know, it'll take it off, you know, it'll blend in with the other one, so it'll make it a little, I guess, a little different. It was okay. The next thing I got, I needed me some Gordon gloves. So I got these, and then look, it has butterflies, and I love butterflies. So it has purple and it has all the different colors in it. So I said, let me go ahead and get this pair. I was looking to see if they had the kids so I can get for my granddaughter while I'm out doing my flowers and stuff. She can help me if she's over. The next thing I got was I needed two of these pans, these cookie pans, because I use them not for baking. I use them because, y'all, I actually make cold processed soap. So I use that right now just for my cold processed soap. Sure Fresh. I was looking for some things like I did get 5 of them, but like I said, I only put one up here so y'all can see if y'all want to actually go and look for some. If you're looking for this, it's a nice little size. It is, let's see, 96 ounces. Yeah, I think it's 96 ounce, 12 cups. So that's a nice little size. The next thing I got this Creole seasoning. I don't know if anyone has used this brand. Go in my comments below and let me know how it is. If it tastes real good to make, you know, my shrimp and all my seafoods, my rice and stuff tastes really good. The next thing I got was this minced garlic. I had been trying to find this minced garlic for a while because I had ran out and I needed some more minced garlic. But you always want to check the expiration date on when you're getting food out of the Dollar Tree. Always check the expiration date, okay? So you can't find the expiration date. You can get it if you want. It's up to you, but I don't get it. If I can't find the expiration date, I just leave it right where it's at. So then the last thing I got, y'all, was the plus, okay? The plus item. This was $5. I said it's a solar, the solar, and I was like, OMG. I was like, yes, I needed this. And this, I've been looking for this solar lantern, and they was always somewhere else real high. This one was only $5, so I got 2 of these. And see, it's got the solar lantern. And then at the bottom, it's got where it's, I guess you can cut it on and off. And then it looks like it's a battery in there too. I'm gonna have to look at it to see. Look like a battery. I don't know what type of battery. Look like it takes a battery too. So it doesn't say this got that light for solar, but it looks like it take a battery. So I was gonna check that out. But I got 2 of these. It comes in black. The white, I was like, I wanted like a matte black. I mean, I'm sorry, a matte white. But they had the white as like a rustic. And I didn't really like that rustic. I like rustic things, but I didn't like that one. It just looked like it was sitting outside and really rust. Okay, it didn't look right to me. And then they had, I think, a blue. And I didn't want the blue. I just wanted a black. Because, you know, black can go with anything and white can go with anything. But I didn't like that one. So I wasn't going to get it at first. But then I said, you know what? I better get it because it's not that many blacks over here, but it's a lot of white and a lot of blue. So everybody was getting the black. So I got 2 of these. I should have got 4, but I went ahead and got 2. So I'm going to go back tomorrow and see if they have the other 2 left. And if so, I'm going to pick those up. All right. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar Tree haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.